Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this discussion I want to look at this question which gives us an expression which expands to 1 minus 12x plus px squared plus qx cubed plus 81x to the power 4, while we're required to find the values of p and q. So when this binomial is expanded, what we simply get is that you can see there. That's according to our question. Now here what we are supposed to find is the value for p and the value for q. Okay, now we remember that the binomial, which is raised to the power n, is equal to the sum of r values starting from 0 to n of n choose r a to the power n minus r times p to the power r, that is upon expanding. So when this is expanded using the binomial theorem, this is what we get. Now in this case we're not expanding, we're just looking at particular terms which have some variables q and p which we want to find. So meaning we're just going to use the general term formula like that. Now let's look at what we have after expansion. So for the first one, since r is starting from 0, that will be r equal to 0. The second one, r will be equal to 1, r equal to 4 to 3, sorry, then r equal to 4. Now let's look at the values that we're supposed to find. So this is the first term, second, third, fourth and fifth term like that. So let's find for p, which is on the third term. So here we're looking at the third term, so that is our third term. So we say equal to n is equal to 4, then we say choose 2, we multiply with a is 1, then we raise to the power 4 minus 2, then multiply by b, which is negative 3x. This one is raised to the power 2. Now this gives us the third term to be equal to 4 choose 2 gives us a 6, multiplied by 1 times, that would be 9x squared. Now when we multiply, we're going to simply get a 54x squared as our answer. Now this will be equated to what we have after expanding the binomial. So this is px squared. We write it on the left hand side. Now the x squared will cancel, giving us p to be equal to 54. So find the value for p. Now we go to the one for q. So to find the value for q, we're going to simply use the same general term. So in this case, we're looking at the fourth term. We're going to have 4. The value for r is a 3 there. Then we say multiply by 1, which is a raised to the power 4 minus 3. Multiply by b, which is negative 3x. This has raised to the power 3. Now 4 choose 3 simply gives us a 4. To multiply with the 1, then times this will give us negative 27 x to the power of 3. Now when you multiply, we're simply going to get a negative 108 x to the power 3. Now let's compare with what is there in our question. This is qx cubed, so it will be on the left, such that the x cubed will cancel both sides, cube equal to negative 108. So this therefore means that the value for p is equals to 54 and q is simply equal to negative 108. Thank you for watching this video.